Hello, landlords. It's Ernie Garcia, your landlord attorney. And today we're going to have the talk. You're still getting it wrong. Let's get started. So it's been happening for a dozen years now. I've been representing landlords who simply don't get this right. It's your notice to vacate. You're writing it correctly. Everything on it is perfect, but your method of delivery stinks. And you get to court and you get turned around because at some point, someone's going to challenge your method of delivery because tenants are getting smarter or they're showing up with counsel. And the first thing they're going to ask is, so how did you deliver your notice to vacate? And when you say, well, I did it this way, and it's wrong, you got to start over. Your judge will deny your eviction petition and make you begin from scratch. I'm going to give you some helpful advice to help prevent that from ever happening again. Landlords, I want you to look through all of the examples that I'm about to show you. Each one is going to be a helpful reminder of what not to do. And if you stick all the way to the end, I'm going to point you in the right direction. What should you do when you are delivering a proper notice to vacate?
Oh. Hello, little girl. Is your mommy home? Yes? No? Okay. Well, please give this to her as soon as possible, all right? Be a good little girl. That's gonna be fine.
So what went wrong? It seems like you delivered a perfectly valid notice to someone who lives on the property, and you even asked her to send it to her mom. Seems like it would all go fine. But what does the code say about serving the notice to vacate on a minor? You're actually allowed to do it if that minor is at least 16 years of age. Did you notice? Was that kid 16 years old? I don't think so. And if you've served it on a minor who is under the age of 16, you failed to deliver proper notice. You need to follow the code, not just in the substance of your notice, but also in the method of your delivery.
Oh. Hello, sir. Is Tina Tenant home?
No, I cannot say I know where she is. Who, may I ask, is inquiring?
My name is Larry, landlord, and I have a notice for her. Do you know when she'll return?
Sorry, I can't say. I'm her neighbor, but I will be happy to hand over any notice you might have, and I'll give it to her right when she comes back.
Thanks so much.
How about this time? It looks like you gave it to someone trustworthy, definitely old enough, who has committed to hand the notice to your tenant. However, it's still wrong. You can't give notice to someone who is not otherwise occupying the space. If they're not a resident and they're not the tenant, you haven't given proper notice. If you're going to put the notice in someone's hand, put it in the hand of a tenant who signed the lease. And how do you know who is eligible to receive the notice, whether by age or whether by occupancy? That's in your lease. Make sure that your lease clearly identifies who the occupants are and what their ages are. Make sure that each adult tenant has actually signed the lease. This way you're perfectly protected because you know, okay, my tenant has 4 children under the age of 10. I can't serve any of them, right? Or all of my tenant has 1 child who is above the age of 16. I can serve any of the occupants in this home. And if you don't know this, don't take the risk and only serve the tenant. Proper notice has to be done both in substance, what's written in the notice, but also in your method of delivery. Landlords, I know you are getting some helpful information here, and I hope you like it. Hit the like button if that's the case, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. To further help you out, I'm going to show you a montage of bad notice. These are ways that clients over the years have delivered notice over and over and over again. I want you to look and see, do you do any of these? If so, please stop.
Perfect. Now it's perfect.
Did you see yourself in any one of these examples? Is any one of these a method you still employ? If so, don't do it, because improper method doesn't count. If you're doing it just because you really want to get the notice to them, I guess that's okay, but make sure that you employ an absolutely certain method of delivery. For examples of what is good delivery, there's a video right here. Check this out, and it'll be extremely helpful for you. Until next time, happy leasing.